This video sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. No one compares. When you need a new tool, think Value Testers. Link in description below.
Now? I don't know, is it normally two?
Yeah, so you got what? I have to put a new one in there.
So you can just replace the spring?
Well, I should be able to.
Yeah, just a matter of pulling it
No, it's
out.
not a spring. I gotta change the whole coupler in there.
Oh, really? So, okay. So how much would that go for?
Well, the water heater is going to be so much, this is going to be extra.
Right. So how much extra would this be?
You're looking at about $40 for the spring assembly, then plus the labor. So you got to figure an hour on that, so like $150.
Oh.
All right, we'll take this apart and see if we could just change the coupler. I got a spring coupler in here. It's a spring style for the B&G. Where's the part number? Let's see if we can put that in there for the guy. Change this coupler on this circulate. Hopefully that takes care of it.
Cash for the other thing is right for a check.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, no problems there. Yeah.
All right. So it's a little different, huh? It's a little bigger, like as far as.
Well, it's a little shorter. But every time you put one in there, all the dimensions are different, right?
Yeah, right, true.
I mean, I had to repipe it all off. I cleaned it all up. Some pipe was kind of rotted. I ripped all that out and changed all that for you, so you'll be good.
Good. Good.
Yeah, if you're going to do it, I mean, you got to do it right.
Well, that's it. We're still living here, and even the next person, if they need.
Yeah, you'll be good for a while now.
Good.
Yeah, it's missing. It's missing a spring. It's missing a spring. Next one down, I think. Guy showed me the spring before, so I knew it was that for sure. A little socket action. I wanted to know how much everything was going to cost. It's like I don't even know until I get into it, guy. There might be other problems. Let me do one thing at a time. Once you have price on everything, that's like you fix one thing and then something else is an issue. What a pain in the ass. Wow, look at that. Everything's just floating in the wind there, mama. Be careful. Ain't nothing left to it. Wonder why it's making noise. Why is my thing making noise? He says. This one was the spring style. There's two kinds. These are pretty good. Oh, there's a little hole in there. There's a little hole where a set screw's gotta go in. Gotta make sure you get that in there right. There it goes. It'll be a lot quieter with that spring in there. I think I need a new ratchet. Try this one. Snap-on. Snap-on is supposed to be so great, right? Yeah, I don't know about that. Let's turn it on and see what it sounds like. That sounds better. That sounds better. Mama. She's loose as a goose. Alright, so motor to pump, circulator coupling. I did check the burners, they're not bad. No, too bad. He didn't want me to do anything else but that. Look at this feeder. This feeder's ready to let loose. I mean, as soon as you drain a boiler, that feeder's going to have to be changed. This 9D is going to have to go. I mean, the boiler drain. So, you know, you start opening up the system and draining it, you turn into a can of worms, but he did oil it. I'm not worried about that right now. Got that done.